To sync Google Fit with Apple Health, you will need to use a third-party app as there is no direct integration between the two services. Start by downloading and installing an app that supports syncing between Google Fit and Apple Health, such as Sync Solver or HealthSync. Once you have installed the app, open it and grant the necessary permissions to access your Google Fit and Apple Health data. This will typically involve logging into your Google account and allowing the app to access your Google Fit data, and also granting the app permission to access your Apple Health data. Next, you will need to select the data that you want to sync between Google Fit and Apple Health. This can include data such as workouts, steps, distance, and calories burned. Make sure to select the correct data types to ensure that your data is synced correctly. After selecting the data you want to sync, you will need to configure the sync settings. This can include setting the sync interval, which determines how often the app will sync your data, and selecting the direction of the sync, which determines whether data is synced from Google Fit to Apple Health or vice versa. Once you have configured the sync settings, you can start the sync process. The app will then sync your data between Google Fit and Apple Health according to the settings you have configured. You can check the sync status and view your sync data in the app. It is also important to note that some data may not be compatible between Google Fit and Apple Health, so you may need to adjust the data types or units of measurement to ensure that your data is synced correctly. Additionally, make sure to check the app's privacy policy and terms of service to ensure that your data is secure and protected. By following these steps, you can easily sync your Google Fit data with Apple Health and have a more complete picture of your fitness and health data in one place.